Have you ever wondered if you could start an online business with almost no investment? What if one app could help you discover products, sell them, and earn money without keeping any inventory? Today, we're taking a quick look at Meesho, one of the fastest growing social commerce apps that's changing the way people shop and sell. Meesho lets users buy affordable products across categories like fashion, home essentials, beauty, electronics, and more. But what really makes it stand out is its reselling feature. You can share products with friends or customers through social media, and when someone buys through your listing, you earn a profit. It's a simple idea that's helped many people start earning online. The app is easy to use, offers a huge variety of products, competitive prices, cash on delivery in many locations, and frequent discounts. For beginners looking to explore online selling, it's a very accessible platform. Of course, it's not perfect. Product quality can vary depending on the seller. Delivery times may sometimes be longer than expected, and customer experiences aren't always consistent. Since many products come from different suppliers, it's important to check ratings and reviews before buying. Overall, Meesho is a great option if you're looking for affordable shopping or want to try online reselling with minimal risk. Just remember to shop carefully, choose trusted sellers, and read customer feedback. Would you give Meesho a try, or have you already used it? Let us know in the comments.